Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Google Pixel Buds Pro with any Android phone. So first of all, you have to open this charging case, click and hold this back button, and wait until indicator starts blinking white. Right now, release that button, put it close to your phone, and then you have to just go to the settings. Next, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings, so go to the connected devices in my case, and click to pair new device. Take a look for available devices list, wait until your buds appears right here, select them. And as you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected by the standard Bluetooth settings. If you have Pixel phone, you don't have to download the application. You can find all of these features right here. So if you don't have this Google Pixel phone, you have to open the Play Store and go for the Google Pixel Buds application, and that's the application that you have to get on your device. So you have to accept all the permissions, and you can just get started, accept all the stuff that pops on the screen, and that's how it looks. There's actually a lot of things that we have to click, and that's the view of the application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.